What's rough? I hope you really dig this video. Please subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Do it.
This review is regarding Just Blind's pleated shades. I bought pleated shades before, and I bought some from Just Blind's, but they had a pull on them and they worked great. So this is just my experience. I decided to go without the cord, and I also got the light darkening one, so I can, because we have a TV back here that otherwise it gets reflections on it and it's hard to see. So went with the room darkening shade. The center one, I'm glad we went for the bottom down, top up, because here's the problem. Without a cord, you try to bring this up. This one works fairly good sometimes. Actually, hey, that's really good. Maybe it's because I just brought it down just a while ago. Let's try it again. That is working good today. Well, see, it kind of stops there. And you can kind of nudge it up and it'll start to work, but with the top down, bottom up, at least you can pull this down and then you can go like this and go up, which is nice. But I decided not to go with the top down, bottom up on the two sides just because it's more expensive, and I figured, heck, I'll just let them go up. But with these, there's no cord, so you're supposed to just be able to lift. Well, only gets you so far. This one's actually doing better than normal too. Usually it'll only go about this high. So anyway, what you're supposed to do, when I wrote them an email, pull it out like this, and it's supposed to reset it. And when I first sent them the email, when I had 30-day replaceable guarantee, you got to remember that, because they said they'd replace them for free. Well, I didn't really want just some more of these because it was doing the same thing right after I first got them. And then they told me to pull it out like this, which will reset the spring. And it kind of did work for a while. Unfortunately, after the 30 days, it stopped working. So what you have to do is make sure you have clean hands, and you have to just slowly go like this, which is a hassle, believe me. You have to lift it up. There. Now that looks good. Let's try this one. So I'll try what you're supposed to do. Maybe if I shake it. Hey, that started working. That is kind of working, but only to a point. I gotta use my fingers again. So yeah, make sure you wash your hands good before you do this, if you get food product all over your shades. Overall, I don't recommend buying cordless, or at least cordless from Just Blind's. I haven't bought any from any other company, obviously. And I have bought products from Just Blind's with cords and they were fine. But unfortunately, after the 30 days, I emailed them and said they're not working still. And they said, oh, well, we'll give you a 20% off coupon or 30% off or something like that, and you can, make another order. Well, I can find deals online for that much and order them, and I didn't really want to have to reorder them because I set up everything and there's nothing wrong with them other than they won't retract very well. So if you're going to buy some of these, do yourself a favor, and either get corded or at least the top down, bottom up, because at least with these, this one's doing pretty good today, probably because I stretched it out. But at least with these, you can pull this down, see, and then go back up as long as you're holding it. That's my review of justblinds.com pleated shades with light blocking.
Just click here to subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Why don't you?